Python 2 versus Python 3. Python 2 is old and outdated, and while there still are companies using Python 2, it's now considered a security risk. It's not maintained whatsoever. And so we're not going to be learning Python 2 because that's old. It's deprecated. It's obsolete. We're going to be learning Python 3. And in this course, we're actually going to be using Python 3.9. So at the time of recording, this is the newest version of Python. But if there is a newer version of Python, let's say Python 3.10, 3.11, absolutely go ahead and download that in the next lesson. And you can use a newer version of Python as well. Everything you learn in this course is still very applicable to newer versions of Python. And that's because Python is reverse compatible. So I would highly recommend not learning Python 2 whatsoever. And honestly, you're not missing much. You're missing maybe a little bit here and there where like syntactical sugar is a little bit different. So like your print statements are going to be a little bit different. But honestly, if you learn Python 3, you've basically learned Python 2. Now, there are a few differences, which I just mentioned in Python 3 versus Python 2. For example, the print statements are a little bit different. But for the most part, Python 3 is not only significantly faster, but it is just crammed full of new features that you're going to want to take advantage of because it just makes your life a lot easier. And every company that you'll work for in the future is going to be using Python 3. So that's why we're not going to be learning Python 2. We are simply sticking with Python 3. Python 2 was deprecated at the beginning of 2020, I believe. And so the idea is that no one should be using Python 2 anymore whatsoever for any reason. And so moving forward, we should be using Python 3. And we're already on Python 3.9. We're pretty far into the Python 3 life cycle. When is Python 4 going to come out? Who knows? Maybe never. We don't know that yet. But even if Python 4 were to be announced, you can still learn everything in Python 3 and apply it to Python 4. And again, that's because Python is largely reverse compatible. In the next lesson, let's go ahead and install Python on our computers. It doesn't matter if you're using Mac or Windows or Linux. We're going to get it up and running on our computer and run a little bit of code.